recording, you just hold it steady.
We left camp this morning with the intent of looking for roan or other big plains game. We'd been away from camp for about an hour and happened to come upon this sable, which a little miscommunication originally. It was thought to be a zebra, but obviously it was a sable. We caught it feeding out in a little open area, kind of a little concealed behind a bush to begin with, and we made a little sneak and caught him in an open area and quartering away shot, and he ran probably 50 yards and dropped and got a great Tanzanian Roosevelt sable.
Yeah, it was a good hunt, and Martine spotted him from the back of the truck, and I thought he said zebra, and I turned to Doc and I said, you want to shoot a zebra? He said, yeah, I'll shoot a zebra. And then Martine says, no, sable, and it was behind a big anthill. So I said, you want to shoot a sable? He said, yeah, I'll shoot a sable. So we got up, did a nice stalk around, and like you said, a quartering away shot, 4.16, Swift A-frame bullets, and it did the trick. It was a beautiful animal, and congratulations.
Thank you very much, Nathan.
Good deal. Excellent.